In the vast expanse of our solar system, hundreds of worlds orbit the sun, planets, dwarf planets, asteroids, and moons. Some are serene, icy orbs, bathed in sunlight. Others are hostile lands of fire and storm. Among them lies a world so extreme, so violent, that it makes Earth's harshest environments look tame. A moon that defies imagination and challenges our very understanding of what a world can be. Today, we unveil the most dangerous moon in the solar system. The most dangerous moon in the solar system. Before we name this perilous moon, we must ask ourselves what danger truly means in space. Is it blistering heat, relentless radiation, ferocious winds, towering volcanoes, jagged terrain, or unbreathable air? Or perhaps the constant pull of gravity, bending and tearing the very interior of a world? Many moons in our solar system meet one or more of these deadly criteria, but only one combines multiple forces into a living nightmare. Orbiting Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is a moon unlike any other. Its name is Io, the third largest moon of Jupiter. Io is slightly larger than our own moon, yet the similarities end there. This moon is the most volcanically active body we have ever observed. Its surface is a kaleidoscope of color, reds, yellows, and greens, formed from sulfur and molten rock, constantly reshaped by eruptions that make the surface almost unrecognizable over time. There are virtually no impact craters, because Io renews its surface continuously, a planet of fire and ceaseless chaos. The volcanoes on Io are unlike anything we have experienced on Earth. They don't merely puff smoke or ash. They blast molten lava hundreds of miles into space. Imagine volcanic plumes reaching heights far taller than the distance between major cities on Earth. Fountains of molten rock arcing across the thin sky of a moon with no atmosphere to contain them. The lava flows across plains, creating rivers of fire hotter than molten steel, igniting a landscape of constant creation and destruction. Io's extreme activity is driven by an extraordinary cosmic force. Jupiter's immense gravity stretches Io like a rubber ball. But Io is not alone in this celestial tug. Its neighboring moons, Europa and Ganymede, also pull on it as they orbit. This gravitational tugging repeatedly bends Io's interior, generating intense heat from friction in a process called tidal flexing. While Earth's internal heat comes mostly from radioactive decay, Io's heat is the direct result of gravitational stress, turning the moon into a molten furnace. Yet volcanoes alone are not Io's only peril. It lies deep within Jupiter's radiation belts, invisible storms of high-energy particles that would instantly kill an unprotected human visitor. The radiation is hundreds, even thousands, of times more lethal than anything encountered on Earth. Powerful enough to destroy electronics and living tissue in moments, Io's surface is a deadly combination of fiery eruptions and invisible radiation storms, a place where the very environment conspires against life. In 2001, spacecraft observed a volcanic eruption so massive it extended nearly 300 miles above Io's surface. The speed of material ejected in these eruptions can exceed 1,000 miles per hour, faster than most spacecraft, hurling molten rock and sulfur compounds into space. The surface temperature of the lava flows can exceed 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, creating a scene of unimaginable fury and beauty intertwined. Other moons have their own hazards. Titan's thick, hazy atmosphere, Europa's hidden ocean beneath miles of ice, or Enceladus shooting plumes into space. Yet none combine internal cataclysm, radiation hazards, relentless surface change, and sheer unpredictability like Io. It is a world forged by fire, molded by gravity, and bathed in danger. A celestial titan existing on the edge of possibility. Io reminds us that danger is relative. On Earth, we fear storms, earthquakes, or volcanic eruptions. Yet the forces on this distant moon surpass our imagination. It is a world where fire flows like rivers, where the surface is reborn continuously, and where invisible radiation storms render it instantly lethal to any visitor. This is Io, the most dangerous moon in the solar system, a world shaped by fire and gravity, a realm of extremes, and a stark reminder that the universe is far stranger, more violent, and more awe-inspiring than we have ever imagined.